Hey there guys, Bruce Milligan from Cell Pro Repair Solutions here. Alright, so I had a customer that just came in and their phone was running really slow. This is a Nokia, I think it's a TA120. Um, yeah, it's a decent little phone. It's from 2018. Looked up the specs, 8 gigs of RAM, the whole kit and caboodle. So really what we wanted to do is make sure this was running, wasn't running badly for any sort of reason. It's actually a TA1093 or Nokia 2.1. Anyways, this is it here, and as you can see, like I'll pull up Gmail here, and it goes really slow. Anyways, we wanted to figure out what that was, and in order to do that or properly diagnose the issue, first off, you want to make sure it's not running any apps that are just super slow or causing it to have issues. Anyways, so what we do in that regard is we hold the on-off button, and then we hold the power button, and then it gives us a notification to start in safe mode. You go OK, and then you go to start it in safe mode. Once this phone is rebooting, you check things out, move things around, open apps, and because what it's doing is it's making any third-party applications just not run in the background or not run at all, period. Again, it's called safe mode. You can do it for any Android phone. Unfortunately, you can't do it for iPhones, but yeah, you can do it for any Android phone. So what's going on? This thing is just restarting, and we're going to be able to see that the phone is going to be running significantly faster, significantly better. You can tell if it's safe mode because it has a little safe mode thing just down there. And again, what we're going to do is you can see the third-party applications are all grayed out. You can see there. And what we're going to do is we're just going to hold that, and yeah, so it gets it up and running a lot quicker. So what that's telling me is there's something wrong with this customer's third-party applications that they have on the phone. So I'm going to go ahead and remove third-party applications one by one, or speak with the customer and find out exactly what third-party applications they don't want, and then go from there. And then once they're all removed, we can add them back on one by one, and hopefully find out which one's causing the issue. Anyways, alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's a bit of off-the-cuff type one, but that's kind of like how I like to do it. This is Bruce Milligan from Cell Pro signing off.